So there's this thing going around called the Qatteeey Denture set. It's being hyped as a quick fix for your smile. Basically, they're soft silicone dentures you just pop in, no dentist visit needed. They're selling it for $44, supposedly marked down from $88, and they claim it was designed by 5 dentists as some kind of dental tech breakthrough. Sounds impressive, right? But let's break it down. The same exact product, literally identical, can be found on sites like Alibaba or AliExpress for just a few bucks. It looks like one of those classic dropshipping deals where they buy cheap stuff, slap on some branding, and sell it at a huge markup. They say it's backed by dentists, but no names, no research, nothing to actually prove it, and there's no FDA approval, no CE marking, no certifications at all. Just a lot of marketing fluff. If you check out the product photos, a lot of them look super edited or just unrealistic. Some are even stock images or taken from unrelated sources. The reviews on their site are generic. No photos, barely any detail, and honestly, they feel kind of fake. This isn't just about dentures. The same company sells other random products like glasses and vacuums using the exact same tactics, which shows a pattern of misleading marketing. There's also no real information on safety or long-term use. Silicone may be soft, but ill-fitting dentures can cause gum irritation, jaw discomfort, or even bite problems if worn improperly. On top of that, the marketing preys on people who are self-conscious about their smile, making it seem like a miracle fix. Social media ads show flawless results in photos that are clearly staged. The reality is, you're unlikely to see any genuine improvement without proper dental care. So, is it a scam? There's no science, no regulation, and it's overpriced for a cheap, mass-produced item. The company clearly cares more about making a quick buck than actually helping anyone improve their smile safely. If you want real results, seeing a licensed dentist is the only safe way to get custom, reliable dentures.